Welding to me is a very specific and painful job that you have to give it the most of the stuff. A while ago, I was doing my GD with Mr. Will. Finally, Mr. Will gave me an email like, "Hey, Enrique, it's going to be a welding class in here," and I was so happy to when I got the email that maybe I can have the opportunity. So I took it a chance.
My name's Nate. I lived in Newport for 18 years, gone to Newport High School, and then we have a welder at home that I started with. And I was like, I just want to make it my career. My counselor in Newport, she said there's a welding program at the college. I think you would like it, so I started and enjoyed it ever since.
I am studying welding. I'm in my first term. Well, I was just looking around for things online, and then I ran into welding school in the OCCC, and I thought it would be a perfect opportunity for me to try out and see what would go on. What I enjoy about welding is the opportunity to create something, to make things better, to reinforce things. It feels pretty good, rewarding too.
Why I decided to do welding, it just came out of nowhere. The intensity, the numbers, and everything combined makes this welding very challenging job or skill. But the more skills, the more prepared in life you are, the better chances are that you will succeed and accomplish your goal.
Well, I decided to join the Marine Corps at the age of 17 because I graduated high school and wanted to leave home, get away from my parents, and had no idea what I wanted to do. So I joined, served 3 years, got out, and then whenever I got out and transitioning back to civilian, I really had no purpose, hopping around from job to job, trying to figure out what I wanted to do. And then once I found this welding program and started, it really just clicked for me. So it really gave me purpose in life.
After graduating, I want to get certified as a welder and then start my own business, like travel around, do welding jobs for other people.
What I hope to do after I graduate is use my welding skills to get a job somewhere and make a lot of money for my family. We appreciate donors because in this economy, we need a lot more welders. We're pretty low. So having a lot more people in that line of work would be very helpful. So being able to have more cost-efficient ways of having students come in and being able to learn more would be very helpful to not just us, but the whole country.